Let's take the Pebble keyboard here. We will select the first number 1 here. We are going to press and hold the button here for about 3 to 5 seconds. Once it starts to flash, that lets us know that the device is now in pairing mode. Now go ahead and take your tablet or any other device that has Bluetooth. Make sure you're in Bluetooth settings here. Make sure it's turned on. And then you should see the keyboard here. If you don't see it, you can press refresh. So let's go ahead and click on that now. Okay, so now all we have to do is just press these keys here on the keyboard. And then press enter. We just wait for it to accept. And now that it's good, it'll give us some shortcut keys, but we don't want those right now. Let's go ahead and click done and click OK. On the Lenovo tablet, it automatically switches to the PC mode. And now if we go ahead and click on this button here, this one is all set up. Now let's go ahead and set up the other one. Remember, this one is connected via interface or number 1. Now let's go ahead and select number 2 here. Again, press and hold. Oh, this one's already connected, but let's go ahead and just go ahead and disconnect this here quickly so I can show you the process. So again, we press and hold the number 2. Same thing, this tablet, we're in Bluetooth settings. We make sure that it is turned on. We found the keyboard. It is the K380s. And the same process, you just have to enter in the key once again. Looks like this one was already connected before, so we just wait and we go from there. So I removed the keyboard. Let's go ahead and do the same process again. Now we're going to try to do the pairing here. Now we just wait. Yeah, keyboard is still flashing. Now we just have to wait for it to come up. We now have the code. Let's go ahead and enter that now. And press enter. Now we wait. Now this one is connected. Now all we have to do is switch between the two interfaces. So let's go ahead, press number 1. On the tablet here, this should automatically connect. So let's go ahead and do that now. Yep, that one works, as you can see. Now let's go ahead and switch to number 2. Let's exit out of here first. And now that works. So we can switch easily. This one's going into PC mode here, but that is the great thing that I love about this Pebble keyboard here. And that is how you do it.